Hi everyone, so let's start the third question. Again, it's a easy question on lead code level. So today we are just doing the easy ones. 595 big countries. So again, we'll first understand the table well. So the name of table is world, and there are five columns. First column is name, variable character. Okay. Second is continent, variable character. You can see it here. The name is Afghanistan. Continent is Asia. Area is integer. Okay, so it will have integer values. Population is integer. Okay, and then GDP is big integer. So big integer is used when we want to store a large number. Now let's read the prompt. Name is the primary key. Now we know that primary key holds the unique value of a record in a table. For this table, each row of this table gives information about the name of a country. Okay, the continent to which it belongs, right? Its area, okay, the population and its GDP, right? A country is big if it has an area of at least 3 million. Okay, if it will have an area of more than 3 million, then we will consider it as a big country, or if it has a population of at least 25 million. Okay, so based on these two, or both of them are mutually exclusive, that if the area is more than 3 million, or if the population is at least 25 million, then the country will be considered as a big country. Okay, so we'll write a solution to find the name, okay, population, and area of these big countries, and we can return the result in any order. We'll learn ordering of the records in the next subsequent questions. So if we'll see, look at this table. So out of this five, only Afghanistan has a population more than 25 million and area more than 3 million. And same with the Algeria. Apart from these two, the rest three don't fit into this criteria. So again, I have created table and wrote some random values in the insert function. So the create table is name, variable character, primary key, continent, variable character, area is integer, population is integer, GDP is big integer. Now I have inserted 10 random values, and then we have to write the query. So let's first see what we have in our table. So we have Australia, which is under the continent Oceania. It has area of this, population of this, and GDP is a big integer, so it's a big number. Now let's see again what we have to find. We have to find the countries which, which have area of at least 3 million. So I'm going to copy this. Now let's see. And what we have to return? We have to return name, population, and area. Okay. So first we are going to write select from world because this is our table. Now name, area, and population. Name, population, and area. Okay. Name, population, and area. So this will come under a select statement. Now we'll be filtering this records where the first condition was the area should be at least 25 million. So I'm writing where area should be greater than or equal to, at least means it whether that will be equal or greater than 3 million. Let's see if we are finding any of the country with this criteria. So we found out that there are multiple countries which have area more than 3 million. Now the next condition is the population should be at least 25 million. So let's query the table again to find the countries where their population is more than 25 million, where population. So where clause is used to filter the data at the table level. Later we'll learn about having, which will be on the group by level. But for now, we just have to understand that where clause is used to filter the table on the population. It will be just like if in the Excel, if you can think of it in the Excel, then if you are putting a filter here, that population, and then you are putting a filtering conditional formatting, that conditional filtering, that the population is more than 3 million, then only show me this, only show the records. So we are just doing the similar thing. So population should be more than 25 million. Again, at least. So I have put more than and equal to. Let's run the query, and then we find out that there are again multiple countries where the population is more than 25 million. Now, if you'll see, we need to find the country which has at least 3 million in the area or 25 million in the population, or which might have both of this. So now we just have to combine our table, our queries. So here I'm going to write where the population is more than 25 million or where area is more than 3 million. Now let's run this one. So here we'll find all the countries where the population is more than 25 million and the area is more than 3 million. Let's see if LeetCode is going to like this answer or not. Okay, so I said it has accepted our test cases. So here we are getting the same results like Afghanistan and Algeria. Let's try to submit, and it has accepted our solution. See you at next video. Thank you.